Alright, today I'm pressure washing my fence. I'm actually trying to get rid of this green mold and mildew that we got going on here. I use the pressure washer. Sometimes I just use a scrub brush, but this time I'm trying something new. I found it on Amazon, 30-second outdoor cleaner, and you actually take and put it in a pump sprayer, which I also got from Amazon, and you do half and half. So if you do half a gallon of that and half a gallon of water, and then you actually spray it on, there's directions on the back for plastic. It's 3 minutes, and then you can agitate it. I use a car scrub brush like this on mine, and I just agitate it and then pressure wash it off, and it's came very clean so far. Now this stuff contains bleach, so make sure you wear old clothes whenever you do it, and if you get it on yourself, make sure you rinse it off because it can burn you. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes, so I'm going to take the scrub brush and agitate it now. Basically, it's just getting the stuff loose so it can wash off easy. Okay, I'm going to fire up the pressure washer and hose it off. For my pressure washer, I actually use a medium tip. You don't want to have the 0% tip because it'll, tear up the fence. So I use the medium. You can even use the next one down, since you're using chemicals. I know this seems like a long process and a lot of labor, when using the pressure washer, but it's a lot easier than just using water, because I tried it with just water, and that prompted me to get this chemical to actually make it easier to get the mold off. Okay, that's it. Now I need to do that about 20 more times and I'll be done. But I'm gonna put some links in the description. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, leave some comments. If you guys have some other way of doing it that's easier, I'm open to suggestions, because I hate doing this. It's a yearly maintenance thing I try to do to keep it looking white. Grass collects on it and turns it green, and the water sitting on it. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, let me know, and next time I think we're going to show how to pressure wash the house. Thanks. All right, here's an up close of the after. You can see it's shiny, glossy white again. That's the section I've already done, and this is what we're dealing with here. Pretty stuck on. I can't even wipe it off with my finger. Basically I have to scratch it off. So yeah, that chemical makes it a lot easier.